to the people of the Philippines.
Okay, hello Philippines. Itong mga kasama ko, hindi sila nakakaintindi ng Tagalog at akala nila pinupuri ko sila, pero sila ay hindi nakakaintindi, kaya pwede natin silang ibinta. Mga kababayan, ito wala to, hindi nakakaintindi. So,
That's funny. That's extremely moving.
Yes,
We're
yes.
moved.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
okay, thank
Manny,
you.
We like
Thank
that.
you.
Oh, I love two bases, man.
Oh, sige. Ay, sabot lalo. Tag.
I'm 19 pounds. So I'm thinking, okay, I will put a heavy metal in my brief. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!